something, isn't it? I think I'm going to want some more convenient when I go forward. So it's time to do the first cuts here in my indoor shed, and to do that I need the protection, because it will get very dusty in here. So I bought these breathing protection and some protection goggles, glasses, whatever you call it in English, and of course hearing protection. So let's start with this breathing protection. I'm going to open it up. It's kind of, I think it's single time uses, use it once, but I'm going to reuse them at least a couple of times. I think that will work just nicely. Yeah, this can definitely be reused at least a couple of times. You can breathe out, but when you breathe in it goes through this filter material, but breathing out it goes through this valve here. There's some kind of rubbery material here to go close to the skin. Okay, so that was those. And here's the hearing protection. I went for these because you can have them conveniently placed on your neck, and I think in that way it's easier to have them with you at all time, and it's convenient to put in and out of the ears. So let's put that to the test. And then I went for a little bit more expensive protection glasses, safety goggles. So I actually selected these kind of skiing design, so that you have actually closed, you have a closure against the skin all the way around, so you can keep the small dust out from your eyes. And yeah, they actually very much resembles skiing glasses. Let's put this on and see how it feels to wear them. I think the first thing you put on is the breathing protection. So we have these. I suppose this red one is for the nose. I suppose you do it like this. And yes, if you can hear me, this valve works. When I breathe in, it goes through the mask, and when I breathe out, it goes through this valve here. Perhaps I go with the air protection first. Yeah, they kind of work, but I think I'm going to use them and then find something better, because the problem with this one is that when you touch this this frame here, the sound actually transmits into your ear, so it's quite disturbing. You get this sharp stethoscope-like sound. It picks up everything, and it actually rubs to the neck here, so I wouldn't recommend this, but at least they work, and I'm going to use them now. And then we have the goggles. You look like a freak, but I think I'm going to want some more convenient when I go forward. But this is now what I have, and I'm going to run with it. So, okay, stay tuned. I wanted to know how this breathing mask works, and look what you get in the package. For one, it's a very, very ridiculously large piece of paper in every language with no pictures. I mean, at least I can put the picture. That's what I needed.
That's just stupid, actually.
I had to consult internet to learn how to put this mask on. Place the mask like this, with the straps hanging. and then you put it onto your face, and then either you take the top one and place high up on the head, and then the bottom one and place around the neck, or you do it the other way around. I think I'm going to do this first. So I put this on the top of the head, and then I take the bottom one and I move it around under the hair, and then you can adjust them there, and you adjust them there, and then you adjust the nose piece. I think I will try to have this on my neck. When I say against my neck, I mean I want to wear them like this, because this actually works quite well. Seems great. And now I can put my goggles on above all this. That's something, isn't it? I mean, I want to see the dust that gets in here. Okay, so let's go with that. Oh, I feel like those, you know, the aircraft. Okay, taxi in here, taxi. Anywho, there you have it. Thank you for watching.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.